Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file and I'm a little bit embarrassed. I didn't think of it. It's a pretty good way to do things. But his problem is he sent me this exact file. And when you put the rotation to the center of the page and go back, it doesn't go back. Well, the reason for that, it is a contour. For some reason, you can't do it. But you can go to Object Group and group it together. And then you can move the center rotation to the center. And I'm going to use the Docker's transform and rotation 5 degrees. We need 72, so we're only going to use, you know what, before I do that, I'm going to make a copy of that. Make it, so you need 72, but you've already got one, so we're going to 71. That is pretty cool. This would be for 3D engraving. I mean, that would engrave really well. But I wanted to try it to see what people that would use it that don't particularly have. And I know I figured out how he drew it. I'm gonna let me just delete these, get them out of the way. And because he kind of showed me in the graphic, I'm gonna hit B, put it to the bottom. And then I'm going to rotate this 5 degrees. I didn't make a duplicate, so I'm going to go back to 0. There's our shape. I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool. Doesn't matter what size you put it on or what color. I'm going to left click. And this time I'm going to use blue outline instead of this would be for somebody that would maybe going to print it. You need to make sure this item is less than or more than a hairline. The smaller the line, the better. I don't normally work in points, but that'll work. And we're going to open up the contour docker and we're going to contour this to the center 0.001, but we're going to use, let's try green. May not be the best color, but now we can jump that back up to where it was. And the same thing is going to happen, or I think it's going to happen. We can move the center rotation. Let me zoom in a little bit. If we take that and try to center rotate it, we go back, it goes right back. So we need to do one or two things. We can go and group it together, or you could actually turn it into a bitmap at that time. So now let's do the same thing. I don't ever keep Dockers open. I should. Well, there we go. And rotate it 5 degrees 71 times this time. Look at that. I don't know how that would print, but it looks pretty, I mean, it looks like intermitting circles. Anyway, so I hope that helped him out a little bit. And thank you for watching.